Hi guys. So in this video I'll be telling you how you can make a very simple calculator using just the conditional statements. So my point is not only to teach you Python basics, but I want you to apply the learnings on something. The reason behind this is that mostly people learn the basics but are unable to apply them in real life, like when they actually need the application of these concepts. So that's why I want to show you how you can make a calculator using just the conditional statements. And after that, perhaps all your doubts and the main concept about the conditional statements will be absolutely clear. So let's jump into the tutorial. So guys, we need to first of all take three inputs from the user. Workflow for this calculator would be that user is entering two numbers, and the third input from the user would be an operator like plus symbol, minus, asterisk, or the divide symbol. So if the person provides plus symbol, so we basically need to add the two numbers that has been given to us by the user itself. And similarly, if the user provided the divide symbol or the forward slash, so we need to divide the two numbers. So that's how we are gonna make this calculator. And first of all, let's take the input from the user. So now if you don't know why I have written int here, so you need to check my input video, like the how to take input in Python. That will be in the description, guys. And we will copy paste this whole statement here and replace first with second. Now the third input will be an operator. Okay, so we will write that as well. Enter the operator, and let's provide the sample operators like plus, minus, asterisk, and the forward slash or the divide symbol. Now we have taken the input, but now we need to basically write the logic for the operation. Like if the user has entered plus symbol, so we need to add the two numbers. So that's what I'm going to do. I will write the if-else conditions for the same purpose. So I will write if op double equal to plus symbol, print answer is, and I will write n1 plus n2 here. Similarly, if the person has provided you with the minus symbol, we will repeat the step. So I'll copy this 4 times, and we need to write elif here, here, and here. And obviously we need to change the operations as well. So now we have written condition for each symbol, but what if the user enters something which is not covered by us? For example, double asterisk or double forward slash, which basically gives us the quotient. So for that purpose, either what you can do is you can write that up, like write the condition for the same, just like we did for all the above four conditions. Otherwise, what you can do is you can simply print invalid choice, because here where we are asking for the operator, we have mentioned plus, minus, asterisk, and the forward slash only. But if you want to add more options, obviously you can add the elif condition for that, but I am writing else invalid choice. Now if you run this Python program, it asks for the first number, so let's enter 10. Now the second number, let's enter 20. Now the operator, so let's write asterisk. So we get answer is 200, and that's obviously the correct answer. And similarly, you can try again for any other operator. If we use plus operator, so it will give us the correct answer, that is 300. Now let's try if we provide some choice which is not covered by us. For example, double asterisk. So it says invalid choice, and our program is perfectly fine. It gives output for each operator that we have covered, and even if the user is providing with some other operator, we are covering that as well by printing out invalid choice. Now guys, let's see how this program is working. So first of all, the user enters three things, the two numbers as well as the operator. Then here in the first if condition, we will check whether the operator is equal to plus or not. So if the operator is equal to plus, then we will simply print out n1 plus n2. That will be the addition of the two numbers, and that will be the answer. And none of these will work. Alright, but what if this condition fails? So if this condition fails, then it will not do anything. It will simply move on to the next one. So it will check if the operator is equal to minus symbol. Now if that is correct, then this will run, but none of these will run. And this whole process will keep on repeating until and unless all the conditions fail. So none of these are working. Then ultimately, obviously, the else block will run and it will print invalid choice. So this will only happen if the person provided some other symbol which we have not covered here. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you got to know how you can, use just the conditional statements and create a simple calculator out of it. So I hope you find this interesting. I am also making a playlist on some Python beginner tasks or programs, which will be some interesting programs. And if you already know Python and want to learn some more application based stuff, then you can obviously see that playlist. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you hit the like button as well as the subscribe button to get more such videos. Thanks guys.